Hello traders, let's go through a basic overview of the position size calculator. We've changed some input parameters from their defaults to make it more interesting. We have Show Pip Value, a slightly larger font size. Show Spreads is on. We also turned on the fixed SL and TP distance in points and enabled the ATR options. The main tab is where you actually calculate your position size. You have an entry level, which is bound to the current price for instant orders. Let's apply Take Profit. It's the same as Stop Loss. Let's change them to 200 points. Switching order type depending to move the entry level. We can also use ATR indicator to set the SL and TP. Let's try 3 as the multiplier for stop loss. And 2.5 for take profit. We can also change the ATR period. Here we can set commission per trade. Account balance can be swapped for equity and for balance minus the current portfolio risk. We have a column for basic inputs here. Let's change risk from 1 to 10%. Now let's set $500 as risk. Here we have our outputs. But we can also set the position size to get its associated risk. Pip value is here, but its value always equals position size because we are on Euro-USD pair and mini lots here. Let's go to the Risk tab. It has a lot of outputs. The tab offers basic overview of the current portfolio's risk and reward and also the potential portfolio's risk and reward. The latter is based on the position size calculated by the indicator. Everything now looks rather weird because we have some open trades without stop loss and take profit. For current portfolio, we have risk in US dollars and in percentage points. Same with rewards, both US dollars and percent. For potential portfolio risk and reward, same info is presented. We also have current open lots and future open lots based on the calculated position. Let's switch a checkbox to ignore orders without SL or TP. Now we only get the risk and reward data for the future position. This checkbox will add pending orders to the risk and reward totals. Let's go to the Margin tab. Here we have margin for the calculated position. Total future used margin. Total future free margin. We can also see the account's default leverage and symbols leverage, which can be different from the former. Below that, we have maximum position size possible with current available margin and leverage. We can also set a custom leverage for calculations, which can be useful when trading on a different platform from where you run PSC. Let's go to the Swaps tab. We have here the type of the swap, the day when triple swap is applied. So we pay 13.1 a day per lot for a long position and get paid 6.5 for a short trade. It easily translates into USD per lot. Our position size is 1 lot, so we get the same output here. Yearly values are also here for your convenience. Now to the Script tab. It controls the behavior of the trading script, which works off the PSC values. We have here a magic number for the orders, a commentary, a little precaution measure, parameters for maximum slippage, spread, and stop loss distances, maximum position size to prevent accidentally huge trades, and these are to be discussed in other videos. That's all for the overview of the position size calculator. See you later.